In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to delete a DNS record on GoDaddy. This process requires you to have access to your account on the GoDaddy website, which is our first step for this tutorial. After you successfully log into the GoDaddy website using your user details, you need to navigate to the section labeled My Products. This section is fairly easy to locate and can typically be found on the main dashboard or main menu of your account. If you can't locate My Products immediately upon login, take a moment to check the navigation bar or on the home page of your account. Now that you're in My Products, the next step is to find your domain. Each domain associated with your account will be listed here, so you need to identify the one from which you're looking to delete a DNS record. Once you have identified the domain, look for a button or a link that's labeled either DNS or Manage DNS. This takes us deeper into the settings for that unique domain and is where you will be able to handle DNS records. Following this, your next task is to scroll down to find the Records section. This is the area where all of your domain's DNS records are stored. This list will usually be quite comprehensive, and it might be organized in a somewhat technical manner. Don't be overwhelmed by the information displayed here, as you only need to find the specific record you want to delete. Take your time and browse through the Records section and locate the DNS record you intend to delete. Each record will normally have a Delete button adjacent to it. This might be a graphic button or a text link, but upon finding it, you need to click this button. It's a straightforward action, but it's one that needs a fair bit of attention since mistakes can have long-lasting consequences on your domain's performance. Once you've clicked the Delete button, a confirmation prompt will pop up. This is a safety measure to ensure that only intentional actions get executed. The prompt will ask you to confirm whether you really want to delete the DNS record. Once you're entirely sure, hit the Delete Records button to confirm this action. Once this is done, the selected DNS record will be permanently deleted from your domain. Remember, this is an irreversible action, so ensure that you're removing the correct DNS record. And that's how you delete a DNS record on GoDaddy. It's quite simple, isn't it? Now you can optimize your website experience as you wish. Fine-tuning your DNS settings is a crucial part of maintaining a functional website, and now you're empowered to control this in the best way possible. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial.